I want to get into this camera. We call this the Gary's making a point camera point of view when I'm really stressed to the audience what's going on. And I want to stress that in these days of not being able to have trade shows, you've got to understand that your audience on a live show isn't the same thing as someone walking by your booth in a trade show. You've got to be more engaging, more captivating. You've got to keep them and hold them on. So how do you hold them on? Here it comes, our do's and don'ts for trade shows. Next one, and this is for a lot of people who aren't, I get up here, I talk about these products, I'm really good off the cuff. All I need is this little PowerPoint to guide me and I'm done. But a lot of people can use a teleprompter, and there's a lot of great teleprompters. Some that'll turn your Android or iPhone into a teleprompter with a whole little mirror system. Some are more expensive, but for a few $100 up to $1,000, you can have a teleprompter. It revolves, meaning you scripted your show, but it's going to look that much better. And here's a don't that I jumped the gun, just look at your notes on your laptop stream. The more you look into the camera, the more the audience will pay attention to you, and the more prepared you are to look. That looked terrible, so now I'm going to do it again. Don't stare down at your computer screen. Look at the camera, engage people. Remember to focus if you can and look directly into the camera lens whenever possible. People like making eye contact. In fact, Jim told me, our marketing director, that Facebook is coming out with some new feature that will automatically correct your eyes if you're not staring at the camera. I prefer to make sure I'm looking ahead and looking at the right stuff. So don't be staring down at your notes or your laptop screen. Rehearse, know your stuff. Use your PowerPoint kind of as your guide. Don't make it be the be-all and end-all that you're saying. There's nothing worse than someone just standing in front of a PowerPoint and reading you the whole dang PowerPoint. It is boring.